Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Jaguar F-Type on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can of course see that it's a two-door convertible car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle and then work our way back around to the front of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see that we have that single exiting tailpipe. Plenty of boot space available as well, especially given the nature of the vehicle. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle, though, firstly, you'll notice the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork, and it's a fantastic looking car as well, especially in this colour. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer, a digital readout for the speedometer as well. We have the fuel gauge there. On the right-hand side, the rev counter, the coolant temperature gauge, and it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park at the moment. In the centre, you can see we have the satellite navigation information. You can display, or you can change that display should you wish to. We've also got the total miles of the car. They are only 7,265, so very low mileage. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our stereo and phone controls, cruise control and speed limiter, the minus and plus pedal, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then into the centre, the main touch screen, which is where you will find, amongst other things, your satellite navigation. You can go back to your home screen from here. You can also access your audio options, so you can see we have DAB, FM and AM radio all available, and your phone. Once you've paired up your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. You can also scroll through for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as you can see. So loads of ways to listen to music in this car. We've also got a full colour reversing camera as well. Below that, dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from here. When you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning off. Back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control of the direction of the air and fan speed for you to maintain the temperature or temperatures that you've asked for. You can push this in to control your passenger heated seat. Same here for the driver's seat. Push it in again to go back to its previous setting. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the start and stop button for the ignition. Over here we have a 12-volt charging socket, the volume for your stereo. We can change the driving setup of the car, so you can put it into a kind of a track focused mode. You can change it to all weather. We have an electronic handbrake. We can open the roof, which we're going to do in a minute. We can make the exhaust louder and quieter. We can turn off our traction control, stop and start, and raise and lower the boot spoiler as well from here. So if we push the button down for the roof, the first thing that will happen is the windows will go down, and then the roof will fold back into the tailgate section. Very quick, and that is it done. As I said, a very, very quick roof operation. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So in the envelope is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We have the V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new, and then a printout from Jaguar themselves to show the service history. So 2021, at the beginning of 23, at the end of 23, and at the end of 2024. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.